Hey guys, this is Smita and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be sharing one of my favorite recipe, peanut masala powder. Peanut masala powder, it could be prepared way ahead. I usually prepare it in bulk, which could be stored up to 2 to 3 months. And then I use it not only to make brinjal curry or the eggplant curry, it could be also used for capsicum curry. It goes really well with that, and even beans curry. And also there's this peanut sambar that usually in North Karnataka side they prepare. So why wait? Let's get started. We'll start off first with making the peanut masala powder. But before that, have you subscribed to my channel yet? If not, please do subscribe to my channel and keep supporting me. Thanks for watching. Please do like, share and subscribe to Simi's Simple Tips channel. And do not forget to leave a comment below with any suggestions or feedback. And see you all next time with any new recipe or any new information. Bye till then.